1, 2, 3, come on.
Hi students, good morning everyone. Now I am going to talk about law of chemical combinations. In the 17th century, scientists had been trying to find out methods for converting one substance into another. During the studies of chemical change. They made certain generalizations. These generalizations are known as law of chemical combination. Okay, main part, one substance into another. Okay, these are first one, law of conservation of mass. Second, law of constant proportions. Third one, law of multiple proportions. Fourth one, law of reciprocal proportions. Last one, Gay Lucas law of gaseous volumes. Okay, out of these 5 laws you have already learned. The first 2 laws in class 8th standard you படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. Let us see the next 3 laws in details in this chapter. Okay, it's a very important 8-mark questions. First I am going to law of multiple proportions. The first law of multiple proportions. When 2 elements, first the law was proposed by John Dalton. Who? John Dalton. யார் propose பண்ண? John Dalton. The law was proposed by John Dalton in 1804. The law of multiple proportions was proposed by John Dalton in 1804. Okay, it says that when 2 elements A and B combine together to form more than one compound, then masses of A which separately combines with a fixed masses of B are in simple ratio. First listen, very very important, listen. The masses of A which separately combines with a fixed mass of B are in simple ratio. Okay, example, the carbon combines, first one, carbon symbol C. Carbon combines oxygen. Carbon combines with oxygen to form 2 different oxide. First one, carbon monoxide. Another one, carbon dioxide. First one, carbon monoxide. Another one, carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide formula CO. Carbon dioxide formula CO2. So listen. First, carbon atomic number 6. Mass number 12. Oxygen atomic number 8. Mass number 16. Listen, first carbon monoxide. Carbon mass number 12. Oxygen mass number ஒரே ஒரு ஆக்சிஜன் இருக்கு, அப்ப 16. இப்ப கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு CO2. How many carbon? 1. Mass number 12. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Therefore 2 into 16, 32. Therefore 32. Listen, புரியுதா? Okay. இப்போ ரேஷியோ பார்க்க போறோம். இப்போ கார்பன் மோனாக்சைடு CO equal to 12, கார்பன் ஆக்சிஜன் 16. CO2 க்கு கார்பன் 12, ஆக்சிஜன் 32 per ratio. Very very important. Again one more time, when 2 elements when two elements A and B combine together to form more than one compound, the masses of A which separately combines with a fixed mass of B in simple ratio. So listen, carbon are same, oxygen different. Oxygen lowest number 16, highest number 32. 16 into 32. Ratio 1:2. Okay. For fixed mass of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, for fixed mass of carbon is 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. Okay. Say next another one example. Sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Sulfur combines oxygen. First one sulfur dioxide, another one sulfur trioxide. Okay. The ratio of masses of oxygen in sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Okay. First one sulfur atomic number. Sulfur atomic number. Listen, sulfur atomic number 16. Sulfur atomic number 16, mass number 32. Okay. Oxygen atomic number 8, mass number 16. First one sulfur dioxide. Sulfur mass number 32. Oxygen mass number 16. Sulfur trioxide. Sulfur mass number 32. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Sulfur dioxide. Perhaps 16 into 2, 32. Sulfur trioxide. 16 into 3, 48. Ratio. Sulfur ratio 32 and 32 same. நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்? The ratio of masses of oxygen in sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Oxygen in sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. 32 into 48 ratio 32 ratio 48. 2:3. Okay, answer. Sulfur combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. The ratio of masses of oxygen in sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide for fixed mass of sulfur is 2:3. Okay, understand? It's very easy. Hi students, next law of reciprocal proportions. Okay, law of reciprocal proportions. This law was proposed by Jeremias Richter. The law was proposed by Jeremias Richter in 1792. Okay, it states that if two different elements combine separately, if two different elements combine separately with the same weight of a third element, the ratios of the masses in which they do so are either the same or multiple of the mass ratio in which they combine. One more time. If two different elements combine separately with the same weight of a third element, the ratio of the masses in which they do so are either the same or simple multiple of the mass ratio in which they combine. Okay. Consider the three elements: hydrogen, oxygen, and important one, carbon. Hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. First one, the carbon reacts with hydrogen to form methane, CH4. Carbon reacts with hydrogen to form methane. Another one, carbon reaction with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Another one, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon reaction with hydrogen to form carbon methane. Carbon reaction with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. The same weight. We are same weight. Okay. Hydrogen and oxygen combine. Hydrogen and oxygen combine separately with the same weight of carbon to form methane and carbon dioxide. Okay, any doubt? Say, listen. Carbon mass number சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். Listen, carbon mass number, atomic number 6, mass number 12. Okay, hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number என்ன இருக்கும் 1. Oxygen atomic number 8, mass number 16, mass number 16. Okay, carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12. Hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. Oxygen atomic number 8, mass number 6. Okay, one more another படிக்கிறேன். Hydrogen and oxygen combine separately with the same weight of carbon to form methane and carbon dioxide. Okay, first one, CH4. I take CH4. How many carbon? 1. Mass number 12. Therefore 12. Okay. How many hydrogen in CH4? 4 hydrogen. 4 is to mass number 1. Therefore 4. CH4. Okay. Another one, CO2. Carbon mass number 12. Oxygen mass number 16. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. 16 into 32. Any doubt? No. புரியுதா? அப்ப நீ கம்பைன் பண்ணுங்க. CH4 கம்பைன் பண்ணும்போது கார்பன், ஹைட்ரஜன், CO2, carbon, oxygen. Carbon hydrogen என்னவது 12 is to 4. Carbon oxygen 12 is to 32. இப்ப ratio என்னவது ratio of hydrogen and oxygen 1 8. Ratio 1 is to 8. Okay, understand பண்ண முடியுதா? Next, ratio of different mass of hydrogen and oxygen that combines the same mass of carbon. Different ratio of different mass of hydrogen and oxygen that combines with the same mass of carbon 1:8. Ratio 1:8. No doubt. Okay. Now, hydrogen and oxygen. Now, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. Now, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. Hydrogen combine with oxygen to form water, H2O. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. Hydrogen mass number 1. 2:1, 2. How many oxygen? 1. Mass number 16. 16 into 1, 16. Ratio of mass of hydrogen to oxygen 1:8. Therefore, hydrogen ratio 1:8. From 1 and 2, the ratio is the same as the first obtained. Thus, the law of reciprocal proportion is illustrated. Okay, Purida? Okay. We only consider volumes. Gay-Lucas law of combining volumes. According to Gay-Lucas law, whenever gases react together, the volumes of the reacting gases as well as the products bear a simple whole number ratio. Provide all the volumes are measured under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. Okay. According to Gay-Lucas law, whenever gases react together, the volume of the reacting gases as well as the products bear a simple whole number ratio. Provide all the volumes are measured under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. Okay. This law may be illustrated by the following example. It has been experimentally observed that 2 volumes of hydrogen. How many volumes of hydrogen? 2 volumes of hydrogen reacts with 1 volume of oxygen to form 2 volumes of water, as known as the listen. It has been experimentally observed that 2 volumes of hydrogen. How many volumes of hydrogen? 2 volumes of hydrogen. Okay, reacts with 1 volumes of oxygen. To form 2 volumes of 2 volumes of water. 2 volumes of water. Okay, listen. How many volumes of hydrogen? 2 volumes of hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol H, but gases symbol H2. H2O2. Gases means H2O2. Simple பார்க்கும்போது hydrogen H, but elements volumes elements பார்க்கும்போது H2O2. H2 is a gas. Hydrogen is a elements. H2 is a gas. Okay. Oxygen is a elements. O2 is a gas. Okay. How many volumes of hydrogen? 2 volumes of hydrogen. How many volumes of hydrogen? 2 volumes of hydrogen. How many volumes of oxygen? 2 volumes of oxygen. Okay. 2 volumes of hydrogen reacts with 1 volumes of oxygen. How many volumes of oxygen? 1 volumes of oxygen to form 2 volumes of water. 2 volumes of water is a ratio. புரியுதா? 2 volumes of hydrogen, 1 volumes of oxygen to form water. How many volumes? 2 volumes of water. Okay. The ratio of volume which gases bears is 2:1:2. Okay. Hi students, next topic quantum numbers. Thus the numbers which designed and distinguish various atomic orbitals and electrons present in an atom are called quantum numbers. Thus the numbers which designed and distinguish various atomic orbitals and electrons present in an atom are called quantum numbers. How many types of quantum numbers? 4 types. First one, principal quantum number. Second one, azimuthal quantum number. Third one, magnetic quantum number. Fourth one, spin quantum number. First one, principal quantum number, symbol N. Azimuthal quantum number, symbol L. Overall small. Principal quantum number, symbol small n. Azimuthal quantum number, symbol small l. Magnetic quantum number, symbol small m. And spin quantum number, symbol small x. Okay. First one, principal quantum number. What is the principal quantum number? The main energy level occupied by the electron. The main energy level occupied by the electron. Listen. Say it's an atom. This is atom. This is nucleus. This is orbit. This is orbit. Okay. Any doubt? No. This is nuclear atom. This is atom. This is nucleus. Overall circle is a orbit. Circle is a orbit. Okay. First one, principal quantum number. The main energy level. நீங்கள் ஆல்ரெடி படிச்சிருப்பீங்க லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் கே செல் எல் எம் என். கே செல் எல் செல் எம் என். ஓகே. The main energy level occupied by the electron. Principal quantum number, symbol N. Okay. First orbit N equal to 1. Main energy level. Second one 2. Third one 3. Fourth one 4. Any doubt? No. Second, azimuthal quantum number. The quantum number that decrease the angular momentum of an electron in an atom, or subcell or shape of orbital. Subcell or shape of orbital. Okay. Subcell. Main point, subcell. Say, how many orbitals in the periodic table? In the elements S, P, D, F. How many subcell? S orbital 1, P 3, D orbital இங்க போறேன் D orbital 5, F orbital 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Any doubt? No. How many subcell are shape of orbital? First subcell S orbital, subcell value 0. Second one D orbital 0 plus 1. So இது கூட நீங்க வச்சீங்கன்னா first one azimuthal quantum L, shape of orbital equal to first one 0, another one 0 0 1, another one 0 1 2, another one 0 1 2 3. Okay. 0 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. Okay. Next, magnetic quantum number. Next one, magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number means orientation of orbits. Orientation of orbitals. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இப்போ சப்சல் இருக்கு, subcell, s orbital subcell and p orbital subcell. Orientation of orbital. This value 0. This value 0 plus 1 minus 1. Okay. Next is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number means S. Simple S. Information spin of the electron. Only two spin. One plus of, another one minus of. One plus of or minus of. It's a spin quantum number. It's a very simple 3-mark question. Quantum numbers. Just the numbers which designed and distinguish various atomic orbitals and electrons present in an atom are called quantum numbers. 4 types of quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum numbers, and spin quantum numbers. Okay, principal quantum number means n, azimuthal quantum number symbol L, magnetic quantum number n, spin quantum number S. Okay.